So this is long overdue. A new tire, a new inner tube, and most importantly, slime. Oh yeah, I always forget. You have to take off the rear brake caliper. Alright, now comes the fun part. Try and get the tire on and off. Third and final tire lever. Why is it so challenging? There we go. Okay, well at least that was easy. I might want to replace this tape on the inside. Alright, new tire insulation time. Oh, that's pretty painless. That makes me a little bit concerned. Look at that. Okay, I think it's seated, but let me make sure.
Work with care not to pinch the inner tube, or you may be repeating the entire process.
Alright, the last bit is always the hardest. I will conquer this. Get in there! Okay, she is finally seated. Alright, I'm gonna put the wheel back into the dropouts. Let's inflate this. Alright, the new tire's on. Looks pretty good, solid fit. Now I have to deflate it and install the tire slime. And this prevents and repairs flat tires. No more flats. So that sounds pretty good. Don't let a flat ruin your day. You know what? I won't. So step 1 is to deflate the tire. Okay, now step 2 is to remove the core of the valve using this tool. Ooh, she's tight. Why is it so tight? Ugh. Alright, so that's the core of a valve, apparently. Let's put that there and not lose it. Okay, now the next step is to utilize this. Now we have to insert 4 ounces of slime. Ooh, that is satisfying looking. So how do I know how much 4 ounces is? Okay, there's a marker on the bottle. And the point of this slime, it's a preventative measure. So if I get a puncture hole in the future, the slime can fill the hole and I can just fill the tire with air and then get on with my life. All right, now let's put the valve core back in place. Okay, now the standard advice I saw was to move the tire around so the slime can fully coat the inside. All right, now let's pump her up. Final step, the valve cover. All right, there she is. I'm also gonna slime the front tire while I'm at it. I'm kind of addicted to the slime. Oh yeah, and also guys, I picked up this bike repair kit. Why is there a saw? But I picked up this bike repair kit, and let's see what it has in here. So it has a wrench for, you know, fixing stuff. It has this, which is a multi-tool. This is what I'm most excited about. So it has all of the Allen wrenches that I need to tighten stuff on my bike. We also have a small handheld pump to inflate tires, and this works really well with the slime because if I do get a puncture, the slime will fill the hole, but then I still need to inflate it. And then finally, this has a patch kit. So in here we have the tire levers, as well as little sticky rubber patches. The only thing is, I don't know where to put this on my bike. It's a good idea to have this with you at all times. I could put it in my backpack, but maybe something like this. It's the next day. Couldn't ride my bike yesterday. I actually had obligations. Definitely feels like a tire. It really just gives me a lot more peace of mind when it comes to punctures and flats, having a new tire and all that slime on the inside. Yeah, so I got a new tire, and that means we can finally go to the city. And he's gone. But the main reason why I wanted to tell him about this is because now I feel comfortable going to the city. He's been wanting to do that with the Onyx, ride around, make a fun video. So that's gonna come up very soon. If you guys wanna see that, subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed, give the video a like. I appreciate it a lot. Oh, by the way, guys, he is uploading his Onyx adventures on his channel. I'll leave a link down below.
Thanks, man. Thanks for that.
Yeah, you're welcome, man.
You guys should come check it out.
Fist bump.
Oh my god.
Friendship. Oh, also, I gotta tell you about slime.
Like Nickelodeon slime?
Yeah, like, actually.